What's the meaning of anybody? Anybody. 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 Anybody.
Anybody is a pronoun commonly used in English to refer to an indefinite or unknown person. It is often used in situations where the speaker does not have specific information about who might be involved or affected by a particular situation, or when referring to a group of people in general. The term can also be used to emphasize that a particular statement or question applies to all individuals, without exception. Overall, anybody serves as a versatile and inclusive term that allows for broad reference to people without need for specificity.